Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video we have seen how to use ListBox and link it with the database and how to use ListBox with coordination with the database. In this video I will show you how to edit or update your data with the help of your Windows Form application. So what I'm going to do is I will take a button and I will name it as update button, and when I press this button and whatever I have entered the data in these text boxes, my data related to that field will be edited or updated in the database. So we will see how to do that. First of all, take a button from your toolbar and place it here, and I will name it as, go to the properties, and I will name this is a text, so I will write text update, and in the name area I will name it as update button. Okay, so this button I have created to update my data. Now what you need to do is just go to your save and select your save button. Yes, you heard it right. Select your save button and then double click it, and you will go to the code which we have written in the video number 9 and 10, in which I have shown you how to save your data with the help of save button. So I will just copy the whole code because I just need one or two corrections in this code, not corrections, but I will edit this code, and then using this code only I can update my data in the database. I just need to change this query, which I will show you right now. So I will copy this. Once again I will go to my form and then select this update button and double click it, and now you reach to the update button click event or function. In here paste your code which you have copied from the save button code. Okay, and now you already know by the this time that this is the connection with the database MySQL, and here with Mysql command, this is the query we pass into the database in order to interact with our MySQL database. So we are going to change this query a little bit. Instead insert into database, we will here write update and delete this into update your database dot your table name, which is this is my database name and this is my table name, database dot table. Okay, so update database dot table, and just delete this. After this we will write value, also delete. So here we will write, first I will see what is my column name. My column name is EID, name, surname and age. These four fields I am going to edit with the edit button. So update database.edata, then write set eid, which is my first column name in the database. Set eid is equal to this arrow pointer eid text, arrow pointer text. This comes from this text box name, whose name is, I will show you, edit text. So edit text is this edit text. So we are taking the data from this text box and just passing in this column variable. Okay, and after this comma, our second column name is equal to this arrow pointer, our text box name, which is this name text box, and arrow pointer text, and then the third column is surname. So surname is equal to this surname text box name, arrow pointer text, and our fourth column is age is equal to this age text field, arrow pointer text. Okay, then we will delete this and write where eid is equal to, and once again just copy this whole eid is equal to this arrow pointer eid text, arrow pointer text, and paste it here where eid is equal to this. So it will update your data, whatever you will enter into your text fields. I will show this query once again. Update database dot your table name, then set eid, which is your first column, is equal to single quote in between double quote in between plus, and in between that write this, then your text box name, then this text, write like this, and then comma your second column name, which is name, is equal to this arrow pointer name text and arrow pointer text. Surname, same as surname, and same do it for the age. Where this where clause comes because it tells your database where to update your data. So whatever we will enter into this field, it will update your data in that column. So for example, we will write update my data where our employee ID is 1, then your data, whatever you enter in the text field, will be edited for the employee ID 1. Okay, so this we have done, and now in this message box we will show, instead of saved message, we will write updated. So when our data is updated, it will show up us the message that our data is updated. Okay, now let's try and run the program, if it's really running or not. run, yes. And once again I will enter my username and password and my new form opens. This thing I have shown you in the last video. Whenever you click any field in here, the corresponding value will appear here. So for example, you want to change employee ID 3 data, which is previously saved as first name Jack, last name Cell, and his age is 40. So I want to name him as Patrick, and I will edit this name as Bell, and his age is 45 now. Okay, and I will click this update button, and it's showing me that you have an error in SQL syntax. Check the manual corresponding your. Okay, let's see why. So I will check where I've done mistake. It's here. My where spelling is wrong. I should write WHERE, and now I should try and run my program. So sorry for this spelling mistake, and now I'll run my code. Password, username, password, okay. And once again I want to change this employee ID 3 as Patrick Bell, and his age I want to change now as 50. Okay, Patrick Bell 50. Remember this code we have edited employee number 3. I will click this update button, and you can see we can see the message our data is updated. Click OK and just check whether our data is really changed or not. Here you can see the old data for the employee ID 3, but now we have changed, so we need to refresh our database from this button, refresh, and now you can see Patrick Bell and 50. So we have just changed in our code this update query and this message, and run our code, and our data is updated. So that's how you can update your database, and I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.